I'm Juan España, but maybe it's easy for you like Jan Esti or something like this. So I'm the founder of ByteHide. On average, the companies use more than 45 security tools, and they have security problems because it's difficult to manage all the information and all this data. So it can cause more than 500,000 losses and cost on losses. And that's happened for a simple reason. Companies want to create secure software. And to create this secure software, they need to manage all of this. Sorry, I don't know how to go there. So it's impossible to synchronize all these tools and don't lose the context and don't lose the data between all the tools that you are using for that. That's why we created ByteHide, an end-to-end security platform that reduced the incident response time in over 40%. The most important thing are two aspects. The first one is that we empower the security team and the developers to synchronize and speak the same lingo. And the most important thing is that we provide context to the full chain. All of this with just one click. Developers can automatize the security in less than 5 minutes, and also don't need to touch any type or any line of code. We are in a growing market, so we focus on application security and mobile security for SMEs. Our business model is super simple. We offer a subscription for the use of the platform, and we have different options. We have more than 1 million developers community. We had more than 200 paying customers composed by SMEs from United States, Europe, and Asia that are protecting more than 10,000 applications right now. That's thanks for this incredible team. We have the perfect balance between technology, sales, and business, and also we have very great advisors. We are not alone. There are more players in the market, but these players are focusing in the cloud part, and which is very different because we are focusing in the distributed software, such industrial software, mobile applications, and IoT, where nobody is covering this today. In 2022, we started with our first MVP, our first product. After that, last year, we started to gain traction and generate revenue. We created our MVP, and we raised our first pre-seed round with Startup Wise Guys, Big Sur, that is an important VC from Spain. And this year, we are growing the platform and expanding our team. So if you are interested to talk more about ByteHide, you can get my LinkedIn here, or we can talk later. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. That's incredible timing there. That's incredible. You practiced, right? Okay.
I tried.
So we can take a couple of questions. Oh, back there. Let me walk over there. Please introduce yourself and ask a question.
Hi, I'm Josep from RIA. I was curious about your claim of 30 or 40% incident response time decrease. And to follow it up, if we get this solution, does that mean the enterprise doesn't need their own incident response?
Well, sorry, I don't know. What do you mean?
You first claimed that your solution can cut down the incident response time by 30 or 40%, it was. Could you elaborate on that? How do you decrease that?
Because we synchronize all the data that you have in the in your cyber risk assets or something like this. So when you have a problem in production environment, because we are focusing on distributed software that don't have control about the environment, we are ready now about the security of your code and the security of the previous steps. So that's why we can directly link the problem that you had at this moment with the root of the problem, and we can directly show you where is the real problem, and you can respond more quickly than if you have different tools and you need to find the. I don't know if that's answer your question. But
the other part was, would that enterprise not need an incident response team of their own?
Yeah, but we are focusing on SMEs.
Yes.
So.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Good. You'll pick this up later, I suppose, because this is an important question. Any other questions from the audience right now?
Sorry?
What is the definition of application security?
What?
For a small child, I want to explain what is application security. What it is.
Yeah, for us, application security is everything that you need to manage to create a secure software, to deploy this secure software, and to maintain this software secure in our environment. So in this case, we are combining the different techniques like software composition analysis, software analysis with obfuscation to try to prevent the reverse engineering or to steal your intellectual property, and also to monitorize this software in the environment that is running. Like if you know about the concept of runtime application self-protection, something like this is like a microagent that is inside of your application. So for us, it's everything. Everything is important, because if you have a very good designed application, but you have problems in an environment that you can control, also you have a problem, a cybersecurity problem. So for me, it's that.
Thank you very much. Give it another round of applause. Applause, applause, applause.